Thera-Gel Shampoo is a medication used to treat dandruff and other scaly, itchy skin conditions such as psoriasis or seborrheic dermatitis. Its active ingredient, coal tar, belongs to a class of drugs known as keratoplastics. It works by causing the skin to shed dead cells from its top layer and slowing down the growth of skin cells, which decreases scaling and dryness. Additionally, coal tar can also help to decrease itchiness from these skin conditions. For best results, Thera-Gel shampoo should be used as directed by a healthcare professional. When using Thera-Gel shampoo, make sure to follow all the directions on the product package. It's important to only use this medication on the hair and scalp to avoid irritation. Be careful to avoid getting the medication in your eyes, nose, mouth, groin, or rectum. If this does happen, flush the area with cool water for 15 minutes. After using the shampoo, be sure to wash your hands. To use the shampoo, wet your hair and scalp thoroughly, then apply a generous amount and massage it into a lather. Allow the lather to remain on the scalp for several minutes before rinsing thoroughly and repeating if necessary. To protect your eyes, keep them closed while shampooing or use a washcloth or towel. Typically, this product is used twice a week or as directed by your doctor. The dosage will depend on your medical condition, the type/brand of product, and your response to treatment. It's important not to use more of this medication, use it more often, or use it for a longer period than directed. If your skin condition lasts or gets worse, covers a large area of skin, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. If you experience skin or scalp irritation, or notice staining of your skin or hair, especially if you have blonde, bleached, dyed, or gray hair, stop using Thera-Gel shampoo and consult your doctor or pharmacist immediately. Your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. Long-term use of Thera-Gel shampoo can lead to hair follicle problems, such as tar acne. If you notice new skin bumps and/or acne in the treated area, contact your doctor. While it is rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug can occur. Seek medical help right away if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice other effects not listed above, contact your doctor or pharmacist for advice. If you are in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. If you are allergic to coal tar or have any other allergies, talk to your doctor or pharmacist before using Thera-Gel shampoo. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions. Make sure to discuss your medical history with your doctor or pharmacist before using this medication. Thera-Gel shampoo may make you more sensitive to the sun. Be sure to completely wash off the medication before going out into the sun and avoid sun exposure, tanning booths, and sun lamps for at least 24 hours after using this medication unless your doctor directs you otherwise. Other medications may also increase your sun sensitivity, so it's important to ask your doctor or pharmacist for more details. If you get sunburned or have skin blisters/redness, tell your doctor right away. Before having surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, Thera-Gel shampoo should only be used when clearly needed. It's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is unknown if this drug passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When using Thera-Gel shampoo, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions can impact how your medications work and increase your risk for serious side effects. It's essential to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial to not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Thera-Gel shampoo. If Thera-Gel shampoo is swallowed, it can be harmful and may cause serious symptoms such as passing out or trouble breathing. In case of overdose, it is important to seek medical help immediately. U.S. residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canada residents can call a provincial poison control center. Be cautious when using Thera-Gel shampoo as it may stain your clothing. Make sure to keep it away from your clothes when using it. Additionally, only use this medication if it has been prescribed specifically for you by your doctor. Do not share it with others. If you forget to use Thera-Gel shampoo, use it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, skip the missed dose and use the next dose at your regular time. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to using Thera-Gel shampoo, it's important to store it at room temperature. Different brands of this medication may have different storage requirements, so make sure to refer to the package labeling or ask your pharmacist for the specific storage requirements for the brand you are using. It's crucial to keep all medications away from children and pets. When it comes to discarding the product, do not flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. Properly discard this product when it is expired or no longer needed, and it's always a good idea to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.